Hey there. Are you tired of constantly dropping screws, connectors, or small parts while working? Say hello to your new best friend, the wrist-mounted parts holder from Wise 3D Printing. This game-changing 3D printed organizer is designed to keep your hands free and your work area clutter-free. No more fumbling around or losing track of tiny items. It's lightweight, comfortable, and fits snugly around your wrist with adjustable straps for a secure custom fit. With its quick access storage slot, you can easily stash and retrieve your wire connectors, screws, or other non-metallic parts in no time. Imagine having everything you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're working under the hood, climbing a ladder, or tackling a DIY project, this handy tool will help you stay organized and efficient. So why wait? Transform your workflow with the wrist-mounted parts holder and take your productivity to the next level. Visit Wise 3D Printing on Etsy now to get yours today.